Today's defense highlights. JSW Group arm invests in drone technology firm Aereo. Airbus is planning to increase its sourcing of components from India. Indian Army rolls out its first overhauled T-90 Bhishma tank. Bharat Electronics bags orders worth Rs 500 crores. DefConnect 4.0, Raksha Mantri launches ADITI 2.0 challenges and Disk 12 to foster innovation. BHP and SAIL sign MOU to accelerate potential pathways to steel decarbonisation. Indian Air Force fast-tracks procurement of 12 new AEW&C aircraft with 4D AESA radar and 360-degree coverage. SAAB offers Sea Wasp ROV to Indian Navy for underwater mine clearance. NSG to procure 100 AKMod kits from SSS Defence. MIDHANI introduces Bulletproof ISUZU V platform. US approves sale of lightweight torpedoes worth $175 million to India. The global headlines: Germany resumes major arms export to Turkey in policy shift. US Navy strikes Houthi targets in Yemen as attacks on Red Sea shipping increase. WB Group and Hanwha Aerospace join forces for production of CGR-080 missiles for Poland's Homar K MLRS. The news in detail. JSW Ventures, an arm of diversified conglomerate JSW Group, has picked up a stake in drone technology entity Aereo for $1.8 million. A statement by JSW said that Aereo uses drone technology and AI-driven data analytics to help clients in asset management in sectors including mining and infrastructure. The company raised the funds as part of Series B funding round. Airbus is planning to increase its sourcing of components from India as the country has various opportunities for Airbus. The European aircraft manufacturer has recently acquired several orders from Indian airlines like Air India and Indigo. As per the latest data, the company has already doubled its sourcing components and services from India to $1 billion from 2019 to 2023. At present, Airbus has a partnership with more than 100 suppliers in the country. Airbus has a current order of 8,600 aircrafts and is expected to manufacture around 770 planes by this year itself. Indigo and Air India played a major role in this growth. Both of them together placed an order for more than 1,000 aircrafts. Given these recent developments, a high-level representation from GIFAS that includes more than 60 companies and more than 100 representatives is currently in India to explore future opportunities and partnerships between the two countries. Indian Army rolled out its first overhauled T-90 Bhishma tank, a step towards ensuring the operational readiness of its armored formations. The overhaul involved stripping the tank down to the last nut and bolt and rebuilding it from scratch. More than 200 assemblies and sub-assemblies were meticulously removed and rebuilt using precise machining and resetting techniques. The successful overhaul of the Russian-origin T-90 main battle tank, known for its firepower, mobility and protection, was conducted by the Corps of Electronics and Mechanical Engineers (EME) at the 505 Army Base Workshop in Delhi. The technicians at the base workshop, using customized machines and test benches supplied by the OEM, have demonstrated their technical prowess by independently rebuilding and testing the T-90's mechanical, electronic, and instrumental components. BEL has announced the receipt of additional orders worth more than 500 crore rupees. The major orders secured by Bharat Electronics include EMI shelters, annual maintenance contract for integrated air command and control system nodes, upgrades and spares for gun systems, spares for radars and communication systems. With these new orders, the total accumulation of BEL's orders in the current financial year has now reached rupees 7,689 crore rupees. Earlier in this month, BEL inked a deal with ISRO to collaborate on indigenizing and developing infrastructure for manufacturing space-grade traveling wave tube amplifiers in India. On 3rd October, BEL and Israel Aerospace Industries announced the formation of a new joint venture, BEL IAI Aerosystems Private Limited. This new entity will serve as a single point of contact for providing product support to the medium-range surface air missiles systems of India's defense forces. Raksha Mantri launched the second edition of ADITI 2.0 Challenges and the 12th edition of Defence India Startup Challenges Disc 12 during the DefConnect 4.0 in Delhi on 7th of October. ADITI 2.0 features 19 challenges from the armed forces and allied agencies in the domains of artificial intelligence, quantum technology, military communication, anti-drone systems, customized for military platforms and adaptive camouflage, etc. This scheme offers a grant of rupees 25 crores to IDEX winners, focusing on critical technological areas crucial for strengthening the defense ecosystem of the country. Disc 12 presents 41 challenges across key technology domains including UAVs, AI, networking and communication with grants up to 1.5 crores. It introduces to the Medical Innovation and Research Advancement Initiative featuring 9 challenges aimed at fostering the development of medical technologies to meet the medical demands of the armed forces. To provide momentum to the IDEX initiative, DISC was launched in partnership with Atal Innovation Mission aimed at supporting startups and innovators to create prototypes and commercialize products in the area of national defense and security. Leading IDEX winners showcased their cutting edge solutions related to munition systems, intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, communication systems, and space technologies as part of the DefConnect 24. The winners include QNew Labs, Sagar Defence Technologies, Astrom Technologies, Zeus Numerics, New Space Research and Technologies, and Pixel Space India. Steel Authority of India and leading global resources company BHP are collaborating to support steel making decarbonization following the signing of an MOU between the two parties. This collaboration is an important step for SAIL and BHP in promoting lower carbon steelmaking technology pathways for the blast furnace route in India. Under this MOU, the parties are already exploring a number of work streams supporting the potential decarbonization at SAIL's integrated steel plants, which operate blast furnaces, with an initial study to access various strategies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. These work streams will consider the role of alternate reductants for the BF, which such as hydrogen and biochar use, with a view to also building local research and development capability to support the decarbonization transition. The deployment of technology and abatements on the blast furnace is critical to progress in decarbonizing India's and the global steel industry in the mid and long term, and partnerships are vital in the approach. Indian Air Force is moving to address its shortage of airborne early warning and control aircraft, a crucial component of modern aerial warfare. It plans to procure 12 new AEW&C systems under two distinct programs, significantly enhancing its surveillance and command capabilities. One program involves acquiring 6 more Embraer-based AEW&C aircrafts similar to the 3 Netra systems already in service. These upgraded systems, designated Mk1A, will feature minor modifications to the existing equipment and will be a joint effort between Embraer and DRDO. The second program focuses on developing a more advanced AEW&C system designated Mk2 based on the Airbus A321 platform. While 6 A321 aircrafts have already been transferred from Air India to the Air Force, the project has faced delays due to the complexity of the required modifications. DRDO is responsible for developing the advanced radar and systems for the Mark II, while Airbus will handle the aircraft modifications. Negotiations are currently underway to finalize the configuration and cost of these systems. SAAB has proposed its Sea Wasp remotely operated vehicle system to the Navy for underwater mine clearance operations. Let's have a look at what the Sea Wasp is. The Sea Wasp is designed to locate, identify, and neutralize underwater improvised explosive devices in challenging environments. This advanced ROV system allows for safe and effective mine clearance by enabling operators to control the vehicle remotely, minimizing the risk associated with manual disposal by divers. Today, most underwater threats are disposed of manually by highly trained explosive ordnance disposal divers, a costly and often dangerous operation. The Sea Wasp is operated remotely by a 2-person team, allowing a safe distance between the operators and the threat significantly reduces the risk. Since unconventional explosive devices are usually well camouflaged and difficult to detect, specific functionality has been developed in the Sea Wasp for this. It includes high-performance sensors. The internal security threats are as significant for surface and underwater assets as these are for other land-based assets. Indian Navy is keenly looking for solutions to counter these threats, and the Sea Wasp would provide a capable solution. The ROV's innovative sensor and navigation suite, which includes a wideband sonar, LED lights, and video cameras, is primarily designed to locate targets that may have been placed on a ship's hull, harbor wall, or the seabed. What must be the key features of the Sea Wasp? It has a modular design. The system is highly adaptable to meet a range of operational needs. It is portable. It's a 2-man portable system including a vehicle, generator, pilot station, hand winch and power supply unit. It has got a flexibility in deployment. It can be deployed from harborside, small surface craft or transported over land in a light support vehicle. It can operate at a maximum depth of 60 meters. It has a speed of up to 2.5 knots. It is designed to locate, identify and neutralize underwater IEDs, especially in confined areas. MIDHANI has developed a bulletproof version of the ISUZU V Cross in collaboration with the Military Engineering Services. The features of this vehicle: it includes advanced protection features like bulletproof glass and armor plating, making it suitable for VIP transportation, law enforcement and military use. The bulletproof Isuzu V Cross is expected to be priced between 39 to 47 lakhs, based on the cost of the base vehicle and the armor plating. This collaboration highlights MIDHANI's expertise in materials research and development, aiming to set new standards in the Indian market for security and protection. The US State Department approved FMS sale to Italy, India and Romania for a combined total of $965 million. The potential sales are: for India, it is Mark 54 MOD-O lightweight torpedoes for $175 million, Romania Sentinel radar systems for $110 million, and Italy for electronic attack mission system for $680 million. The principal contractor will be RTX for the Romanian sale and BAE Systems for the Italy sale. The Government of India had requested to buy 53 Mk-54 MOD O-Light torpedoes, all up rounds. The following non-MDE items will also be included: recoverable exercise torpedoes, air launch accessories, classified and unclassified torpedo spare parts, torpedo containers, support equipment including test equipment and tools, support services, classified and unclassified books and other publications, and other technical assistance. A look at the global news. Germany's Federal Security Council recently authorized arms delivery worth hundreds of millions of euros to Turkey, a NATO partner. The deal includes 100 ship-based air defense missiles and torpedoes for the Turkish Navy, as well as material packages for modernizing Turkish submarines and frigates. Among the approved items are 100 RAM missiles for air defense valued at around 100 million euros and 28 Sea Hawk torpedoes from ThyssenKrupp costing around 156 million euros. Additionally, 79 million euros will be spent on materials to modernize Turkey's Type U-209 submarines, while motor parts for Turkish corvettes and frigates have been cleared for delivery at 1.9 million euros. Altogether, the approvals are estimated at about 336 million euros. According to information published by the Voice of America, US military airstrikes targeted Houthi controlled areas in Yemen, with reports from both US officials and Houthi media detailing significant operations in multiple regions. According to the US defense sources, the strikes were carried out by the USS Georgia, a guided missile submarine, and focused on 15 key targets, including military bases and weapons installations associated with the Iran backed Houthi group. WB Group and South Korea's Hanwha Aerospace signed an agreement to establish a joint venture focused on producing CGR-080 missiles for Poland's Homar K artillery systems. This initiative strengthens defense ties between Poland and South Korea, with the latter already deploying these missiles on its K-239 Chunmoo launchers and having acquired Warmate 3 loitering munitions produced by WB Group. This new alliance builds on a series of collaborations aimed at integrating advanced technologies and bolstering Poland's defense industry. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.